Good morning. It is raining, and you know what that means? It is time to chase some waterfalls. There is avalanche danger everywhere in the mountains this week. We have another storm rolling through, and it is raining, which means it is the perfect time to come and see some beautiful Pacific Northwest waterfalls. Today, I am visiting 3 waterfalls off of Highway 2 that I found to check out. 2 of them are just quick roadside stops, and then the third is a small interpretive trail. I am very excited to be getting out, but it is going to be raining the whole time, and I'm already well into my Pacific Northwest shower. So let's go see some waterfalls. Well, I am at the first waterfall location of the day, and that would be Eagle Falls. This is right off of Highway 2, so I parked up there, and then there's a short trail that's gonna take me down to the river down here. The waterfall is right around the corner. So let's go see the waterfall. Well, behind me is Eagle Falls, and it's in this really cool rock ledge system. It is pouring down rain here, but you can see this is the Skykomish River, and it goes up around the corner to Eagle Falls, which is currently roaring right now. I've seen it in the summer when it is less spectacular, but boy, that is a ton of water. We're getting some proper rain in the mountains right now. Well, that was Eagle Falls, the first of 3 waterfalls in today's adventure. And I just wanted to add one note about Eagle Falls, because this waterfall, while beautiful, is a pretty infamous site because it has very dangerous currents, and it is a popular swimming hole, and that combination has led to a lot of accidents and fatalities swimming here at the falls. So I highly recommend that if you choose to visit Eagle Falls, do not go swimming. Even if the water looks calm, there are dangerous undercurrents, so please be safe. These are very powerful, very wild rivers, so pay attention to the signage and, you know, just make sure you know what you're doing and avoid swimming in this area. But checking out the waterfall and staying out of the water is really fun, and it is gorgeous. Just be careful on the rocks. They can be quite slick. Now, next, I am on to another waterfall a little further down the highway. Let's go. I am at the next waterfall, another one just off of Highway 2, Alpine Falls, and I can already hear it. It is just right up ahead, so let's check this waterfall out. I came down from the first viewpoint up there, and there's a steep boot path to the bottom. I'm gonna try and get a look at this waterfall from the bottom because the view is from the top. That lower view of the falls was really something. I didn't know what to expect coming to this site specifically because it's just such a small, out-of-the-way thing. There's not a ton of information about it. I just saw it marked on the map, and wow, I gotta say, that is a really cool looking waterfall for such an easy stop. Absolutely worth it, and man, the view from the bottom is cool. This is waterfall season for sure, but with one more waterfall to go see, just a little further up the highway, and I believe I have saved the best for last. So let's go see another waterfall. I am at my third and final waterfall destination, Deception Falls, and this is actually a small interpretive trail, not just like a quick stop. So I'm gonna check out the upper falls and the lower falls. There are two waterfalls to see that are part of Deception Falls. I'm excited because I've driven past this a lot on Highway 2, and now I'm finally gonna see it. That was the upper falls, which was spectacular. So now I'm heading down to the lower falls. We'll see how that is. The lower falls, and it is absolutely worth coming down here. This is completely different and also beautiful, and I mean, look at these stunning trees. Well, I'll film the outro here by this beautiful creek. that is 3 waterfalls all along Highway 2. And gosh, I don't know which one was my favorite. It's kind of a tie between Deception Falls and Alpine Falls, because Alpine Falls is really surprising. That is a really cool looking waterfall, but I mean, I'm happy. I really like going to see smaller places like this, especially when the weather sucks, because getting out in these forests is just gorgeous, especially when it's raining. And yeah, if it's raining, it's time to go see waterfalls. So let me know in the comments which waterfall was your favorite. I definitely think Deception Falls is the most interesting just because it's longer, you have a small interpretive trail, and there are a lot more sections of the waterfall to see, but these are all really cool. A perfect time to see them when we've got lots of rain, really showing off what these waterfalls look like in full flow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and here are my favorite pictures from the waterfalls today. Enjoy.